Hello children, how are you? How are you today? I am good, I am well. What about you? Hello first standard students and their parents. Welcome to SAVITA PHAWADE Academy. This is one and only online learning platform where we provide here Maharashtra State Bureau school textbook videos for English medium class 1. My dear little friends, today is our English lecture and we learn today which poem? Nature. And today we sing this poem. Okay, so please listen carefully. Okay, then my dear little friends, can we start? Yes. Okay. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. Yes, you enjoy? Can we sing again? Yes, you want to sing again? Yes, okay. We repeat again, okay? Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true, nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. Student, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We continue this poem, how to act, in next lecture. So keep watching. Take care yourself and your parents. Till it, bye bye.